First, there was the mind, then the machine. In the dawn of artificial intelligence and machine learning, you might think the machine is gaining ground on the mind. But only with your vision will machine learning reach its full potential. The strengths of machine and mind now come together for you on the SAP Leonardo Machine Learning Foundation. With ready-to-go intelligent business services like service ticketing and functional services, using machine learning building blocks for the intelligent processing of all your data. To detect, to recognize, to classify, to predict, and more. SAP Leonardo Machine Learning runs on SAP Cloud Platform to enable all applications in your existing landscape to become intelligent, so you can create your intelligent enterprise and design machine learning applications quickly and easily. It supports a strong ecosystem of partners and developers using SAP Leonardo Machine Learning Foundation, which continuously adds value to joint customers. You have the imagination. Now the technology is here to bring it to life. SAP Leonardo Machine Learning Foundation.